We're here.
Here is not the here we wanted to be at.
Nope.
Well, not today anyway.
Weather made us change our plans again.
Plans in the sand.
Big storm coming out of the north.
Big truck coming right at us.
Everybody's talking about it. Lots of wind, cold temperatures, teens and 20s. So we decided to forego the stopover at Walker Lake for the next several nights and go to an RV park in Hawthorne where we've got some power. And at least that way we got some power.
And we've stayed here before, so, and it has been good. And we always stay here because of the weather. So
it's always cold.
Cold, windy, so we'll be here for a few nights.
Yeah.
It'll get us down.
Get us through the cold part for the next several days, and then we start heading south again.
Yep, the journey will continue. So we are at the Whiskey Flats RV Park in Hawthorne, Nevada. We have stayed here before. They have 60-foot pull-through sites. All of them are pull-through. Not all of them are concrete, but they're still pretty level. They have lots of wide open space here. I think we have seen some people staying in this empty area.
Yeah, they've been out here like dry camping.
Yep, so I think that's their overflow. So if it's full and somebody's okay to just kind of hang out, get off the road out of the wind, they let you park over here. That's our assumption. Don't quote us. Please don't say Tom and Lori RV Life said. So there's not too much road noise. Because
if you decide to come here and they're full and you park over here and dry camp and they charge you, deal with it.
Oh. So we're going to show you around just a little bit. I don't remember how many sites they have here, but this is all. This is it. They have like maybe 4 rows. Beautiful views of the mountains. I think one time we even had snow up on the mountain. So this is their designated dog walking area. It's all dirt. They tell you not to walk them on the grass, but I don't think the grass in between the highway and here counts. Just not the grass in the park. So we're taking Bear over here for some grass. So there isn't any grass at my sister's house. So Bear hasn't been on grass in a while.
In the desert, but I can do it here. You ready?
So they have a dump station here. So if you need to dump tanks on your way through Hawthorne, they have a dump station here. We are unaware of how much it costs.
You know what? You can tell that this is the dump station.
Yeah, because it says so?
Nope. Look how healthy these plants are right behind it.
Yeah, the grass is pretty green, and you got the big old pampas grass. Yep. So 1, 2, yeah, 3, there's 4 lanes, 4 rows of RVs. They also sell propane here. There, that's the little building, office, men's and women's bathroom and showers, and a laundry room. Laundry room is open 24 hours a day, and it's $1.50 per load each to wash and dry. Today we're going for a little drive. We left the RV park just to take a little excursion with Bear. We are gonna go check out the campgrounds that are over here by Walker Lake. So it's about 20 minutes from here. And we wanted to go check it out without pulling the trailer behind us, so we can get a better idea of which campground we might want to stay at in the future. So here's Sportsman's Beach. Beach and campground. So here is the fee station. Developed campsite, $6 a night, $36 a week, $2 a night for extra vehicle. Primitive campsites, $4 a night, $22 a week, $2 a night extra vehicle. Day use, no fee, no potable water.
And what you do, you put your money
So how do you know?
in the envelope.
Yep.
And then dump your envelope right here.
Right here.
Right into that. Right
Yep.
there. Right there, right there.
Woo. Register.
14-day limit.
So I wonder what primitive is and what what did they say? Developed. Doesn't explain.
I think this is developed because it has vault toilets, trash,
And the
fire
little
pits,
fire pits and little
barbecue grills,
yeah,
and little shade.
yeah. So we'll have to drive around and see what the undeveloped are then. What does
Yeah,
that mean?
that's up at Tamarack and 20 Mile Beach. And that's only $4 a night.
Oh, okay. It tells you there. Sportsman's Beach are developed, which
Yeah.
is where we are. Okay, and primitive is the Cove in
Yeah.
Tamarack and 20 Mile.
Yep.
So you still have to pay at those, $4 a night.
You still have to pay. Day use, no fee. So there really is no free camping here.
Nope. Nope.
Which I thought there was, but
Yeah, that's
$4 is close to free.
Yeah, and only $2 more, and you get a picnic table and shade and fire pit if you choose that. But look how pretty. I think it's pretty.
This blows me away though when we're passing those signs that say how high the lake used to be, like in the 1920s, where that RV is sitting up there on the hill. Do you see it? The water level used to be up there.
Yep, this was all underwater.
The whole thing was under. Look at how deep that was.
Yeah,
It's
and
amazing.
I don't know if we can see the boat launch from right here, but you can see where the ramp goes down, and then there's a long ways of dirt. You probably can't see it on the GoPro.
We could drive down. You want to go swimming? Want to go
No,
skinny dipping?
no,
Okay.
no,
Just a real quick dip.
nope,
No? Okay.
no, thank you.
You put your toes in the water and you're, you know what, in the sand?
Ours. Yesterday when we drove by, the water was as still as could be.
Looked
And the
like glass.
reflection was amazing of the mountains and everything. But we had the trailer, so we couldn't really stop.
And this is where we were going to stay the whole weekend, but with temperatures down around 15 to 20. And the bad part about it is the winds are supposed to be 40 miles an hour with gusts 50 to as much as 100 on the ridge tops. We didn't want to be down here. It'd just
No.
be too cold and too windy.
There's even a high wind sign that was over there.
Yeah.
Wind come down off the mountain. Okay, so this is Tamarack Beach. It's one of the undeveloped areas. It does have a pit toilet here though. This kind of reminds me of Pyramid Lake. No trees.
The Nevada Pyramid Lake.
Yes, Nevada Pyramid Lake. With the whiteness around the edges, it must be alkali, just like Pyramid is. Oh yeah, we wouldn't want to come down here. It's a big dip.
Shoot. This is a bad dip.
We could go around the dirt part.
Yeah.
It wasn't a dip.
Come on. You coming?
So this is really undeveloped. The road's a mess. If that's a campsite, you can't tell what's a campsite, really.
Yeah.
There's nowhere to turn around. Yeah, that's a spot. Super, super unlevel. Yeah, this is nuts. I'm sorry, this isn't worth $4. It isn't.
Now who's cheap?
Me. Yeah. Nope. Pretty
Yeah.
puppy dog.
Here's the turnaround that I was telling you about.
Oh. Okay, we can mark Tamarack off our list.
Yeah, we couldn't fit down here. We's a little too big. God, it's beautiful though.
I know, great view. Really pretty. But definitely for smaller rigs or tents. Well, we're really glad that it's going to be cold and that we went to an RV park, because our plan A of staying at any one of these 3 campgrounds on Walker Lake would be a bust for us.
This would have been a nightmare for us, never coming here before and then just turning in off the highway and with the trailer and trying to find a spot. This would have been a nightmare.
Yeah, for us. Other people may have had good experiences and we're okay here. However, for us and our rig, it's a no-go.
Our big old monster.
Yeah.
This is just the wrong place to be.
And nothing's marked. So it's like, where are you even supposed to camp? Nothing's marked off. So, and driving the rig around, that would have even been worse. Trying to figure it out and navigate. That's why we love having the truck separate. We can go figure stuff out. Yep, as much as we love to boondock, nope, this place isn't for us.
Hey, at least we explored it and we tried.
That's right, that's right. We checked it out, checked the options. See, there's like a pay box. It used to be, but not anymore. So maybe this area and Tamarack are free because they're such a mess. So at least this one this is a 20-mile, right?
Yeah.
The roads aren't bad, as bad as the other one anyway. Tamarack, that was bad. Okay, now we know. Well, we enjoyed our stay here at Whiskey Flats RV Park in Hawthorne, Nevada. Got us through that cold snap and the wind.
One more cold snap to go through.
One more night. work done. Some stuff done.
Stuff.
Some stuff.
We are on our way again.
All right, bye, Whiskey Flats. See you next time.
The journey continues.
The journey continues on to our next leg of headed south.
Find the moment in